Welcome! If you're managing a Telegram channel and want to let your admins edit stories posted by others, you're in the right place. With Telegram's latest updates, giving admins more control over channel stories is now easier than ever. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide to help you enable this feature and keep your channel's stories fresh and collaborative. First, open the Telegram app on your device and make sure you're logged in with an account that has the necessary admin rights on your channel. Once you're in, head to the channel where you want to update admin permissions. You'll find it in your chat list. Just tap to open the channel. Next, look at the top of your screen and tap on the channel's name. This will take you to the channel's profile page, where you can see all the details and settings for your channel. Now, tap the edit button, usually shown as a pencil icon. This opens up your channel management options. From here, scroll down and tap on Administrators. You'll see a list of all the admins in your channel. Find the admin you want to give story editing rights to, and tap on their name. This brings up their specific permissions. Now, look for the section called Manage Stories. Under this, you'll see the option labeled Edit Stories of Others. Toggle this switch on. This gives the selected admin the ability to edit stories posted by other admins in your channel. After you've enabled this permission, don't forget to tap Save to apply your changes. That's it. The chosen admin can now edit stories created by others, making it much easier for your team to keep your channel stories up to date and engaging. If you ever need to change these permissions, just repeat these steps. With this feature, you can ensure your channel remains active and well managed, no matter how many admins you have. Thanks to Telegram's ongoing updates, managing your channel's content has never been more flexible.